What's up, everybody? It's Manpreet Singh here with Unbox with Singhs. I've got a quite a special unboxing today. Got the Mi 11 Ultra, which I have been waiting for quite a long time. This one's extremely difficult to get in Canada. Managed to get my hands on a 12 gig RAM, 512 gigabyte model. So I'm pretty excited about this. I think this phone is going to be better than the phone that I've currently been using. I've been using the Samsung S21 Ultra, and yeah, I've got a lot of high hopes for this. Let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. So I'm really liking this black box that it came in. It's nice and thin. The thinness is kind of giving away a negative. I think that this is going to be, not going to have the charging brick, which is kind of terrible, but I guess Samsung and Apple are doing the exact same thing. A lot of cool stuff. It says that there's sound done by Harman Kardon. There's Dolby Vision. Like I was saying earlier, 12 gigs of RAM on the phone, 512 gigs hard drive. So yeah, it's definitely top of the line, Snapdragon 888. So we know that we've got the best of the best when it comes to processor. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. So yeah, nice presentation. You can see Xiaomi right there. In this little box here, we've got a little box here. Oh, nice to see some, manuals and stuff. That's all good, but it's really nice to see that there is a case in here. It's just a TPU case, so it's not something special, but it is really good. It's also really nice to see a case provided. We've got the SIM ejection tool here, and then the phone itself is in here. I ended up getting the ceramic white. Wow, this actually is a really nice looking phone. So it actually looks like there's not even a cable that comes with this. So you literally just get a phone, no charging cable, no charging brick. So I don't know how I'm supposed to charge this phone. At least it's a USB-C, so a lot of us might have those laying around if you got a new iPad, if you've got other stuff. So I'm outside right now, and there's a lot of loons and stuff that are flying around. We're also near water, so that's where they are. So I think they're kind of chiming in on our video here. They wanna be featured on Unbox with Singhs. So I'm gonna try to open this up. Wow, it is really nice. It's got a factory installed screen protector on it as well. Physically, it feels great. This is the ceramic white model. That means that it's definitely going to be a fingerprint magnet. I can already see some fingerprints, but you have to look at them at a certain light. So if you just do it and you look directly at it, you don't necessarily see it. This camera bump is something that I've actually been pretty excited to see. There's a little screen right here so you can see basic notifications. You can see things like if I'm taking a picture of somebody, they'll be able to actually see themselves on that screen. It says it's got 120 times zoom, but from what I've read, it's probably not going to be usable past maybe 30, 40 times. It also has dual lenses for ultra wide and just regular lens. Front camera on this is not centered like the Samsung. It's off to the left, which personally I like better. I don't like when the camera's right in the middle, because it seems to kind of get in the way. When it's off to the side, I do prefer that look. Well, let's go ahead and turn it on and see if we have some charge. As I showed you, there's no charging cables and there's no charging bricks, so I'm not going to be able to charge it here, even if there isn't any charge. So this one does have 5G. It's actually showing up on the screen right now. I'm not sure if it's visible from the camera above, but it is pretty cool. So I can't sign into anything because I don't have a SIM card in here yet. I will reserve all of that for the review itself, but the phone itself physically looks excellent. I really like how it looks. I'm excited to see what this second screen can do, and I'm excited to test out these cameras. So definitely stay tuned to Unbox with Singhs. There will be a review coming up shortly. I will use it for the next little while and give all you guys my thoughts. Please definitely subscribe, like, and share this with all your friends. Peace out.